turn on hidden words on tweets. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to do that. So first thing, go to your tweets, and here guys you have um this icon, tap on it and you will find hidden words. And here guys, all you need to do is turn on hide offensive words and phrases, and also you have custom words and phrases to hide replace you don't want to see by creating a custom list of words. And this is it guys, hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. See you on my next video.